Have you ever heard of the tragic love story between Myrrha and Adonis? Myrrha, daughter of King Cinyras of Cyprus, was cursed by the goddess Aphrodite for her mother's hubris. Stricken with an unnatural passion for her own father, Myrrha devised a plan with the help of her nurse. Under the cover of darkness, she lay with her father, who was unaware of her true identity. When Cinyras discovered the truth, he was horrified and enraged. Myrrha fled from her father's wrath, wandering in despair and shame. Praying for deliverance, she was mercifully transformed into a myrrh tree by the gods, forever weeping fragrant resin. From the tree, Adonis was born, an extraordinarily handsome youth. Aphrodite, moved by his beauty, took him under her protection. Tragically, Adonis met his end during a hunt, gored by a wild boar. His blood mingled with Aphrodite's tears, giving birth to the anemone flower. The story of Myrrha and Adonis speaks to forbidden love, transformation, and eternal sorrow, reminding us of the capricious and often cruel nature of the gods in Greek mythology. Their tale serves as a poignant reminder of the complexities of love and the consequences of defying divine will.